Hey my beauties. All right, so I am back with another video. So today I am going to be showing you two things. First things first, I am debuting, well, not debuting, but I'm giving you guys a sneak peek of two of the new products that we have coming out with J.Antoinette. It is, of course, you guys saw our hydrotherapy mist, so that's what I'm using here, as well as a new curling product, which is going to be called our curl and twist souffle. So you see my hair right now. I did a separate video for you guys so I can show you guys how to use that product. So that's going to be a separate video. But right now what I'm doing is I'm hydrating my hair because I'm getting ready to twist it down. So I put in the hydrotherapy mist, put in the curl and twist souffle, and now I am parting my hair and I'm just sectioning off where I want my leave out, because today I will be debuting a new clip-in line of natural hair clips called Her Crown and Glory. So it's going to be natural hair clips and natural hair on wefts, but today I will be using the clip-ins from Her Crown and Glory for you guys, and I'm so excited. This is my second time actually doing this video. I tried it the first time and I didn't like how I did it, so it made more sense. I actually did it with my hair out instead of twisting my hair down. So I think it makes more sense. It came out much better with my hair twisted down, because y'all know my hair is so many different lengths. But yeah, so I'm twisting down my leave outs, and then I am going to twist the rest of my hair down so we can get this clip-in process started. And it actually is so easy and convenient. I actually watched Natural Mary and the way she did it, and yeah, it's best to start from the top, because once you build that volume at the top, honey, you don't have to worry. So let's get into this look. All right, so right here you see me, I am twisting away from my forehead, just because twisting away from the forehead for me, it makes where I'm going to add the clips, it makes it flatter, if you understand what I mean. I don't know if I'm explaining this right, but I don't want it to be lumpy. And you see the first twist, how it ends. So I'm twisting away so where the clip ends, it's as flat as possible to my head. Hopefully that makes sense. I don't know, but you guys will see, I guess, when I install the clips. But yeah, so we are twisting away from the forehead just to make the install as flat as possible. All right, guys, here are the clips. Oh, they are so soft and beautiful. Now, here is a clip from the very first time I did the hair. Okay, this is why I said this is my second time. This is the first time, but I want to show you guys how I use the curl and twist souffle in the hair to get the texture that you're going to see at the end. So this hair works amazing with natural hair products. So I used the hydrotherapy mist and I used the curl and twist souffle, and I twisted it down, and it retained that twist out look. And I mean, it's just so gorgeous. I wanted to insert this clip in here so you guys can see how I got that texture of the clip-ins. So when you see me install the clip-ins, you already know, and you don't have to ask, how did I get the hair to look that curly? This is how I got the hair to look the way it looked. And absolute success. All right, let's get into this clip-in look. So I measured out all the clips, and some of the clips have three. Some of the clip-ins have 3 clips on them. Some have 2, some have 1. So as you can see, it is pretty easy. All you have to do is slide the clip, the comb in, and close it. That's it. Snap it closed, and just make sure it's secured in your twist. And that's it. So it's secured, and here we go. Going in with the next one. So what I'm doing is I'm putting them right underneath each other. That's the key. You put them close enough to each other so you can have that volume at the top. And you don't have to worry if you don't have enough hair in the back, because actually having more at the top will help you obtain that full length look, because actually you'll actually have to put some shorter hair length clips at the back in order to obtain, like, you know, that full length look. But yeah, just start at the top, add the clips, slide it into the twist, and close, and that's it. I mean, this process was so easy. This literally took me, I think, about 10 minutes, like 10 minutes max. That's it. And yeah, look at the curls, as you can see from the twist out. So it looks so much like my natural hair. And yeah, I mean, it is, I mean, I have nothing bad to say about these clips. They are amazing. I love it. They're so soft. They're so easy to install. I mean, yeah, I just can't say enough about it. I love her Crown and Glory already. I can't wait to try out some more of her hair clips and some more of her, even her wefts, and get them sewed in. And honey, I'm loving it. Look at that. All right, so we've already installed everything. It's looking really good. So now I'm taking out my leave out, taking it down. So look at it. Look how nice it blends into my texture. Look how juicy my twists are too. So I twisted them down. I didn't let them dry for a long time. So it's going to get a little frizzy, which is fine. Now here I'm going in with some Got To Be Glued, and honey, that is some ultra glued, okay? This thing is no joke. I am out of Eco Styler gel, so this was the only thing. This was the only thing that I could go to. But yeah, I love the hold though, but dang, it's some serious hold. It is some serious, it's like glue. It's literally like super glue. It is a crazy hold. So what I'm gonna do is gel that down. I am going to put my black band on it to get it to dry. And then of course you guys know, after this I gotta beat my face. Yeah, so let's get this look finished with, and I'll be back at the end. All right, so let's finish this look. So I'm taking my hair down, I'm gonna loose this band, and I'm gonna put some edge control because that thing was like glued to my head. And I'm going to twist my natural hair in with the clip-ins, and then I'm just gonna fluff the roots. So you guys let me know if you like this look, if you like this hair from her Crown and Glory Hair Company. And if this is your first time to my channel, welcome. Do me a favor and hit that subscribe button if you liked this video. Hit the like button if you like this video, and leave a comment and let me know if you liked this video. All right guys, so until I see you guys again, bye bye.